In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's Toughpods RGB. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Apply the 3M pad to the back of the control hub. Tip: do not mount the control hub until after the Toughpods have been installed. Lay out your Toughpods and ensure the wiring is long enough for your vehicle. The outer wires on the Bluetooth hub are shorter for the front wheels. Crimp your battery terminals to the Bluetooth hub's power ends. Grab the 4 rubber pods and self-tapping screws. For the mounting location, we recommend an area on your fender liner where you cannot visibly see the Toughpods from standing alongside the vehicle. You may need to remove your fender liner for easier access. You have the option to use the supplied nut and bolts depending on the vehicle application. Mark your desired location. Insert the screw through the first Toughpod and the rubber pad. Screw into the desired location on your fender liner. Repeat for the remaining 3 Toughpods. When completed, mount your Bluetooth hub by removing the 3M tape and placing it to a safe area along the frame or desired area. Use cable ties to secure it. Based on where you need to mount your control hub, you may need to extend your wires. Find your positive and negative ends of the power hub wires and extension wires. Grab 2 heat shrink connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the power hub wires. Now crimp to the positive and negative wires of the extension wires. Use your heat gun and shrink the connectors. Open your hood. Disconnect the negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. From your power cables, grab your positive terminal and mount to the battery's positive terminal. Now grab your negative terminal and mount to the ground connection. Tighten to secure connection. Grab the wireless remote. The Toughpods can be operated with or without the vehicle running. Press power for on and off. Press brightness for brightness level. Press mode for constant light or strobing. Press cycle to cycle through colors or pause on a color. You also have preset color options on the upper pad for quicker options. Your accessory light is now connected.